everyone, welcome to my channel, that is English with Palay sir. Today I am going to discuss the types of sentences of 10th class course. Okay, before going to know the definition of sentence, you look at the example first. Like children sweetie, give cows milk us. Can you say these are sentences? No, because these are jumbled. अर्थात एगुड़ाक जम्बल्ड वर्ड अच्छी बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस कैपिटल नहीं, फुल स्टॉप नहीं, यार कौन सेंस मध्य नहीं, तेणु आम आपको आउ थे लिखिदे परिबा. लुक एट दिस, चिल्ड्रेन लाइक स्वीट, काउज गिव अस मिल्क. दिस आर टू सेंटेंसेस. कहीं ना यह हमको मीनिंग देउछि बा यार सेंस हम बुझा पड़ुछि. या कोन है ना, बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस कैपिटल अछि, एंडिंग रे फुल स्टॉप अछि. सिंपली काउज गिव अस मिल्क, कैपिटल अछि एवं एंडिंग रे अछि. देन यू से व्हाट डू बाय सेंटेंसेस. वाक्य कहले हमें कोन बुझिबा? ए ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स arranged in a specified order which gives us a complete meaning or sense is called a sentence. It begins with the capital letters and ends with the punctuation marks, that is full stop, question mark and exclamatory mark. Sentence must have a subject and a finite verb. Sentence is divided in two parts, simple and multiple. Multiple also divided in two parts, compound and a complex. First of all, you discuss simple sentence. Simple sentence is divided into four parts: declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. First of all, you know what do you mean by simple sentence. सरल वाक्य कहले हमें कौन बुझिबा? A sentence which consists of one clause which can stand by itself is called simple sentence. Declarative कहले हमें कौन बुझिबा? Declarative काहे के हम व्यवहार करबा? या ना काहे के declarative हिच? You use declarative sentence to state facts, describe things or report facts. Generally, you know, it is a statement or declarative sentence. Yes, साधारणतः statement होता है. So let us discuss declarative sentence. Okay, before going to discuss declarative sentence, we have to know verb. कारण यह verb रे खेल होते. Look at the screen. Verb is divided into two groups: auxiliary verb and main verb. Then auxiliary verb divided into four parts: be verb, do verb, have verb and modal. What are the be verbs? You know, am, is, are, was, were, be, being, been. Then do verb, do, does, did. Then have verb, have, has, had. Then 13 modals: shall, should, may, might, can, could, like that. Okay. Then you discuss main verb. Look at the screen. Main verb is divided into two parts. That is transitive and another is intransitive. Intransitive, what do you mean by intransitive? Intransitive कहले कौन बुझबा? It takes no object, but transitive takes object. Okay. Then transitive also divided in two parts. One is monotransitive, the second is ditransitive. Monotransitive takes one object, ditransitive takes two objects. For example, transitive verb go, run, smile, laugh. It is transitive: write, play, laugh, and it is. Okay. Declarative divided into 5 patterns. Specially, 5टी pattern रे विभक्त कराइछि. First one is SB pattern, second SBO pattern, third SBOO, 4 SBC, 5th SBOC. 5 patterns. Discuss one by one. Okay, the first one is SB pattern. Subject verb. The verb must be intransitive. Example: I go, we smile. These verbs do not take object. Okay. You remember, केवल intransitive verb रे SB pattern हवा. Next, SBO, subject, verb, object. This verb must be monotransitive. या निश्चित भाव रे monotransitive. Monotransitive कहले कोन बुझिबा? ना गोटिया ऑब्जेक्ट नबो. Example: I write a letter. I हला subject, write हला verb, a letter हला object. I write a letter, one object. Okay. Number Three example SBOO pattern. Subject, verb, object plus object. अर्थात दुईटी ऑब्जेक्ट एटी डाइट्रांजिटिव वर्ब नो. Example, my mom gave me a mobile. Mom subject, gave verb, me object, a mobile object. एटारे दुईटी ऑब्जेक्ट अछि me and a mobile. A mobile it is direct object. Me personified है it is indirect object. ठीक अछि. यह को हमें परिवर्तन कर दे परिबा. My mom gave a mobile to me. जदि एठारे मोबाइल न देबा ताहले सेंटेंस मध्ये कंप्लीट हे पारुनी. My mom gave me what? Not completed. My mom gave a mobile to me. जदि एटा प्रथम लिखिबा ताले to me लिखिया को प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज नबा को बाध्य. SBO पैटर्न रे मोनोट्रांजिटिव नबो. SBOO पैटर्न रे डाइट्रांजिटिव वर्ब नबो. You have to remember some verbs. Here give, offer, teach, ask, these verbs are ditransitive verbs. Like that, my teacher teaches us English. He asked me a question. Such type of sentence will be SBC pattern. Subject, verb, complement. Complement कहले कौन बुझिबा? मैं एग्जांपल आगे देखो. Rajesh is a boy. He looks smart. He is in class X. Complement means which completes the sentence, which completes the meaning of the sentence. जहाँ की sentence रो meaning ता हमको बुझाई था. ताको काटी देले sentence बुझा पड़िबा नहीं. जता example, Rajesh is a boy. Rajesh is the subject. Is a verb. A boy is a complement. Without a boy, what is Rajesh? No complete. तो हमें complement केते बेले बसेबा? When you use link verb or be verb. You know, my dear students, be verbs are is, am, are, was, were, be, being, been. Like that, link verbs. Here, look at this. He looks smart. This verb, link verb. What are the link verbs? You know, get, become, appear, feel, smell, taste, like that. Okay. These are link verb. Link verb pare madhya complement basiଥାଏ. This is also subject, verb, complement. Okay. Last sentence. He is in class X. He is subject, verb, complement. Let's देखो complement रे कौन कौन बसिଥାଏ. A boy, it is a noun. Smart, the adjective. In class X, it is noun phrase. Complement verb हम जानिले. Be verb and link verb. एतरे कौन कौन complement रे बसिଥାଏ साधारणतः noun रूपरे बसिଥାଏ, adjective रूपरे बसिଥାଏ एवं noun phrase रूपरे बसिଥାଏ. किंतु adverb रूपरे बसिबो नाही. Example, Kari tastes badly. Taste is a link verb. Kari हला subject, एटा हला verb. किंतु badly एठी adverb. यह हे परिबा नाही. किंतु तमे जदि करितांत Kari tastes bad. This is correct sentence. यार देखो, this compliment a boy is subjective compliment. काहेकि ना संपूर्ण भाव में सब्जेक्ट को पूर्ण करूची. सब्जेक्ट विषय रे अधिक सूचना दउची. तेनु आप कहबा सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अब कोन कहबा ना सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट. या परे हमें पढेबा ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट. लुक एट द एग्जांपल. SBOC पैटर्न. सब्जेक्ट, verb, object, complement. Example, we elected Narendra Modi prime minister. We है subject, elected है verb, Narendra Modi object, prime minister complement. prime minister कहेंगे complement है मार्क करो. we elected Narendra Modi what किसी जना पड़लानी. तेणु आमे ऑब्जेक्ट पाइले काहाकू नरेंद्र मोदी कारण ये वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट नबाटा निश्चित जेतेबेले ऑब्जेक्ट नेला ताले ऑब्जेक्ट परिपूर्णता आसिला नाही ताले कोन वी इलेक्टेड नरेंद्र मोदी प्राइम मिनिस्टर लिखिले जायकि नरेंद्र मोदी कंप्लीट हेले अर्थात ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑब्जेक्ट को मॉडिफाई कला. एसबीसी पैटर्न रे कॉम्प्लीमेंट सब्जेक्ट को मॉडिफाई करूथिला किंतु एठी एसबीओसी पैटर्न रे कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑब्जेक्ट को मॉडिफाई कला तेनु आपको कहबा ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ताले एठी प्रॉब्लम होची ये वर्ब कोन ही पारे. दिस verbs are elected, selected, nominated, appointed, invited, prove, make. These verbs take such type of a sentence. So object complement. Okay. Another example. Helicopter 6 made Dhoni famous. It is subject, made verb, Dhoni object, then a complement. It is famous, object complement. It adjective है पारे. It is noun मध्य है पारे. Okay. Noun phrase मध्य है पारे. किंतु adverb हबा नहीं. Now look at the interrogative sentence. Example: do you like toffee? Here, do you like toffee is a interrogative mark. The beginning of the sentence capital beginning with the auxiliary verb and there is question mark. It is yes no question. Okay. Then, why do you like coffee? It's a WH. It is also interrogative sentence. Prasnavachaka. Then, who wrote a letter to God? It is also interrogative mark. Okay. We can say yes no question or WH question. That is interrogative. It is including declarative sentence. Okay. Next, look at the imperative sentence. Example: stand up. Come here, don't make a noise, let us go on a picnic. Look at this. Here there is no subject. But subject is, you. These sentences are advice, request, command, order, suggestion, prayer, instruction, wish. Here, let us go on a picnic. Suggestion. Don't make a noise, order. Look at the book. The instructions are very important. That will come in your exam. Of your elders, advice, please have another cup of tea. March on soldiers command. Let us go on a picnic. Have a mercy on us. Beware of pickpockets. Warning. Don't write on the front page of the answer book instruction. Shut the door, order. Have a smooth journey. Wish. It is very important for your examination. Okay. Last exclamatory sentence. Look at the example. What a beautiful girl Sheila is. Here is a beautiful girl is a noun phrase. The noun phrase thibo tame ame tale kon kariba what lagaiyak padibo. What a beautiful girl is a also article, it is a noun, it is a adjective. ame jodi akku bhangi dei pariba kon kari pariba na Sheila is a very beautiful girl. Okay. A very beautiful girl. When जेतेबेले आमे चेंज करिया very ताकू काटी दे परिया. Okay, next example. How beautiful Sheila is. It is a predicative sentence. आकु भांगी देले कोन हबा Sheila is very beautiful. Okay. Then adverb. how fluently Sheila speaks. Sheila speaks very fluently. Okay? What, how, and how. Remember, we can never use here not. Exclamatory sentence रे हमें not और केबे व्यवहार करि परिबा नाही. We cannot say what a beautiful girl Sheila is not. हमें करि परिबा नाही. Remember. Okay? For parts and full sentence is divided into 4 parts: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory completed. परीक्षा रे MCQ क्वेश्चन केपरि आसीबो. Ramo is a boy. Which pattern is it? SVO pattern, na SVC pattern, na SVOO pattern, na D SVOC pattern. Look at subject, verb, that is complement. That's B pattern, SVC pattern. এই পরি ভাবে क्वेश्चन आसीबो. मु गुडे क्वेश्चन दउ, we can do better. Okay? Thank you very much for watching this video.